It's Jeff at Slavens Racing. I just want to show you a new tire I'm going to be testing this weekend on a super gnarly, rocky switchback trail. So I normally run trials tires. And trials tires are excellent on tight trails, but they definitely have their downside on the high speed sections because they get wiggly. The radial ones do, and the radial ones have the best traction. The bias ply ones like the Pirelli, are more stable, but the traction is way down. So I'm constantly testing tires. I test tires for tire manufacturers, and this is an upstart tire manufacturer here, which we're not releasing their name at this time because we've been testing tires for a couple of years now. There's a team of us that test for them in different conditions and different skill level riders. So we're all looking for that tire that absorbs the rocks and the roots better than a regular knobby. Knobbies really kick you around compared to a trials tire. They give you way too much feedback. And so this company is working on a more flexible carcass without it being wiggly and squirmy like a trials tire, and have more puncture resistance than a lot of trials tires, but yet have that amazing traction that you can get from a trials tire, but yet more versatile by a more open pattern that will give you better traction in muddy conditions. Trials tires can tend to load up if it's like back east gooey mud. So this is a knobby with a different construction carcass than most knobs, and then it's got trials tire rubber. So you can see this is a very flexible knob here. I'm doing this by myself, so it's a little bit hard to video and show you at the same time. But this knob, although it's way easier to twist and squirm than a regular knobby, it's not flimsy like the side knob is. They've also done a nice job with this tire of putting a nice base at the bottom of the knob, so that I don't think this is going to have a chunking issue, but we'll find out. Now these center knobs are actually pretty firm. This one is too. So it's, you've got an open pattern. This would be like an intermediate train pattern tire with trials tire rubber and a flexible yet stable sidewall carcass. So I'm anxious to test this one. I'll get back to you after the weekend. That's all for now. Ciao.